Hello everyone and welcome to the Transit Nomad family. Today I'm in Budapest and I'm exploring the coolest trailways through nature in Hungary. Before we get started, I'd like to let you know that I'm in Budapest for a few weeks, and at the end of this trip I'll be recording my final verdict video, comparing Budapest with other cities to help you decide if you should visit, while also saving you lots of time and money with practical tips on how to get the most out of your trip. This will be an exclusive video, but you can easily gain access to it by subscribing or donating any amount on buymeacoffee.com/transitnomad or through the link in the video description below. Our train is about to depart in just a minute. We don't want to miss that, and I hope you enjoy the ride. Like we are at another stop right now. People are getting off and on. The fare for this train, the ticket price is only about $4 to $5 American dollars, depending on the exchange currency. And this is the more expensive fare for the nostalgic, historic vintage train like this. This is from the 1930s, the one we are riding right now. But they also have some a little bit newer but still very old ones from the 70s. that are over 50 years old, and those are even less expensive. They cost about $3 to ride. They operate every day, and you can look up the schedule on their website. It's called the Children's Railway of Budapest. I highly recommend it. Definitely a great adventure, and the good thing is that this ride is over an hour, give or take about an hour. So very good value. Looks like we have reached our final stop, and now we can take a look and see if they are going to disconnect the trains. Let's take a look at what they are going to do over here. The second coach is an open air coach. It's very nice for scenic views, and this line is scenic indeed. The views of the forest and the greenery and some mountains and some city views as well. Very good combo. For $3 or $5, this is just a no-brainer. Such a great value. That's why I came here twice actually, because I loved it so much. I decided to come back again. And what's really cool is that everything, not everything, but the majority of tasks are done by children. It's not super easy to get in. As far as I know, you have to have good grades to be able to join this community. And these communities are actually popular in many different Eastern European and some Central European countries because of the history of their relations with Soviet Union. This is something that a lot of them decided to do right before, right after World War II. This kind of children's railways started being constructed. And this is, I'm not a big fan of Soviet Union or communism, but this is definitely one of the good parts. And it's amazing that they've been running these for so many years. Now they are going to change the tracks and go back around and connect to the passenger coach on the other side, because where we are looking at right now, it's like a dead end.
Really silly that.
Right here is the name of the station. If you'd like to look it up, you can get here by another very unique and scenic public transportation available in Bucharest. It's called the Cog Railway, and it's line number 60. It's considered a tram, but it's more like a funicular slash tram slash train. It's included in the regular Budapest public transport pass, and it's a very unique and fun experience to get to this station from the city as well. And while we are waiting for it to come back, I would like to remind you that as an active traveler and business owner with experience, I might be able to assist you with trip planning, life coaching, and business consulting, with all the details available at buymeacoffee.com/transitnomad. This is where you can also find lots of exclusive content on many different cities around the world, my secret tips, PDF guides, and the option to request a custom video on any topic that matters to you.
Az első vágányon tolatást végzünk, kérjük, hogy a vágány mellett vigyázzanak. Az első vágányon tolatást végzünk, kérjük, hogy a vágány mellett vigyázzanak.
That was pretty easy and quick. And now people are boarding. This one is from the 1930s. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. And this, I'm not sure. This is just like an outdoor coach. I did ride in both of them. It's pretty fun. You can see it's very popular also. People love this kind of stuff here in Hungary, especially considering the value and the price. You get about an hour of fun for such a low price. I think it's a no-brainer, as I mentioned earlier. But on this note, I would like to thank everyone for watching, commenting, liking and subscribing. I appreciate you being a part of the Transit Nomad family and look forward to seeing you in my future videos. Bye-bye.